Hello, just want to get out in the garage today, so I've been looking online and I've found a Union jack I'd like to make. I've got some 4mm plate. I'm just going to mark it out and I'm going to cut it with a plasma cutter. I'm going to cut it so it looks a bit rough. Let me know what you think.
Crazy bet on me. Back mid-scroll, Armageddon arcade. Walking the world, walking the world. Don't know why. Cars play cowgirls and numberless chairs. Feeling just fine in our running heads. Walking the world, walking the world. I don't know why. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle. I don't mind the grind. I don't mind pretending we don't see these signs. The hustle and the tussle, I don't mind the grind. You and me dancing on.
So that's it all cleaned up, and I just need to drill the holes now. But you might have noticed that when I was cutting, I cut one of the holes a little bit wrong. So I'm going to put a little bit of weld in that just so it doesn't wake up.
Radio playing the cesspool stream. Oh, running down numbers that used to be dreams. Welcome to the world, welcome to the world. And I don't know where. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle, I don't mind the grind. I don't mind pretending we don't see these signs. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle, I don't mind the grind. You and me dancing on a Gideon time.
So now I'm going to use the negative parts and make another flag. I'm going to put a border of 12 mil round off, make a square, and then tack everything into that.
Dancing on my Gideon time.
Because I wasn't planning on doing this at the time, I didn't bother be careful where I was cutting, I just cut into it. You do that sometimes, so when you start your next cut you've got something to run into. So there's loads of little bits like that that need welding. So I've got a proper block here. It's about 10 mil and 100 mil square. I'm going to put my piece on top of the copper block and that'll stop us welding the piece to the bench. So it's a welding concrete on it, just record.
Drop the needle down, dance me to the other side. We can fly into the 80s, Brooklyn to LA.
So that's the second one complete. I think it's a great idea to use the scrap basically to make another one. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this yet. I do have another space I could put it, but potentially it's for sale. I don't know yet. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.